Good morning, students. Today we are going to do output devices. Students, output devices are those devices which we use for take the input from the user. And output devices is any hardware device used to send data from a computer to another device or user. आउटपुट डिवाइस क्या होता है? एक हमारे पास हार्डवेयर डिवाइस होता है. हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस आर दो डिवाइसेस विच वी कैन फील और टच. These are used to send the data from a computer to the other devices. Output device is a piece of hardware that is used to display the data which has been processed. Whatever we give the input to the computer, that is processed. After that we get the output. There are some types of output devices. First is monitor. It is a primary output device. It comes in many different shapes, size and forms. Students, as we know that earlier monitors was like a television, a big box. So the present is televisions, we simply call them the LED or LCDs. Okay, so there is a huge difference between LCDs and televisions. Okay, it is also called the VDU. VDU means visual display units. Either we are talking about the monitor or VDU, they both are the same things. It looks like the television screen. It shows output on the screen. There are two kinds of monitors, CRT means cathode ray tube and flat panel displays. Next is printer. Printers are used to produce the output on the paper. As we all know that the printers are used to display the output on the paper. So this is also called a hardware device. It is also called a hard copy output device. There are black and white and color printers in the market. So there are two basic qualities of printer. First is resolution and second is speed. Students, resolution depends upon the number of pixels, number of dots per inch used by the device. As a large number of resolutions means the quality of picture is high. Next is speed, means in how many minutes, how many copies per minute a printer out. Next, students, there are some types of printers: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printers. Next, students, we have plotter. Plotter, we can say a plotter like a printer or not like a printer, because plotter works on a very large scale. Okay, it is used for the special type of printer to draw high quality images on a very large piece of paper. जब हम देखते हैं ना, कोई बैनर्स देखते हैं, ठीक है, या फिर बहुत ही बड़ा मैप देखते हैं, तो वो कहाँ पे प्रिंट होता है? प्लॉटर में प्रिंट होता है. प्लॉटर जो है, इट इज़ मेनली यूज्ड बाय द इंजीनियर्स एंड आर्किटेक्ट्स. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव next as speaker. Speaker is an output device. They receive audio input from the computer sound card and produce audio output in the form of sound waves. Students, we all know about the speakers. हम सब ने स्पीकर्स को देखा है. स्पीकर्स क्या करते हैं? कंप्यूटर से साउंड्स लेते हैं और उसे प्रोड्यूस करते हैं साउंड वेव्स में. नेक्स्ट वी हैव प्रोजेक्टर्स. हमने स्कूल में प्रोजेक्टर्स सब ने देखे हैं, ठीक है. अ प्रोजेक्टर इज एन आउटपुट डिवाइस विच कनेक्ट्स to a computer and is used to project the videos output from the computer onto a wall or screen. The main quality of projectors are they are portable and easy to carry and handle. Thank you.